One of the greatest benefits of wearing makeup is that it helps you look younger. Makeup can help you conceal wrinkles, aging spots, and other blemishes. With the right makeup artist touch, you will never have to worry about your age showing. In fact, you will look younger than you've ever looked. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have included a link in the comment box for each product mentioned. So, make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1 All-in-One Makeup Kit includes 12 colors eyeshadow palette, Sightling foundation and face primer, a great makeup gift for girls and women, including all the necessary and basic makeup tools. Perfect for beginners or professionals of all ages. It also can be used as a great gift for Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthday, and other festival. Gift for mom, gift for kids, gift for females, and holiday Christmas stocking stuffers. Number 2 Makeup Kit for Women Full Kit, all-in-one makeup gift set, multi-purpose, perfect for party makeup / casual makeup / wedding makeup, etc. This holiday gift set could satisfy all the needs, especially for winter and Christmas. It contains all the necessary and basic makeup tools that every girls and women need. This is a beautifully makeup kit for beginners and teen girls. Number 3 Best You Can Carry All Trunk Train Case Makeup Set. This all-in-one makeup set is not only suitable for beginners but also for professionals and is the perfect gift for family, friends, lover, or yourself on Christmas, birthdays, and various holiday special. Designed as gifts, this travel case is made of PC material that is drop resistant and unbreakable, with a layer of foam padding inside the case for protection. Number 4 Best Shani Fix Me Up Makeup Kit. The Shani Fix Me Up Makeup Kit is full of vibrant makeup. Grand total of 36 matte or pearl finish eyeshadows, 8 lip colors with a semi-glossy finish and applicators, true to color and super pigmented makeup that's silky soft. Shani is a member of PETA and our products are cruelty-free, designed by makeup professionals in the U.S.A. Number 5 Best Doer Liquid Carry All Trunk Train Case Portable and Durable Train Case, which comes in stylish color reusable case. What you get: pro eyeshadows, face powders, blushes, lipsticks, lip gloss, eyeliner, pencil, lipstick, lip pencil, lip balm, eyebrow pencil, cream eyeshadow, brush. Not tested on animals, proud member of PETA, designed in Paris. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.